Hello everyone, welcome to Super Ink test room. This is the all-ink EcoSolvent printer, and with 4 Epson i3200E print heads, and use over EcoSolvents to do the fluency test. Now we can see this picture. We use the 100C and 100M color to do the fluency test. Now guys, look at this CMYK line, and we can put the print head to print hand, compare the black color, and when the CMYK line is disconnection or brothels. Now we can do the 150 meters to do the test, and 30 meters to do the old ink, and 30 meters to do the new inks test, and 30 meters to do the black CMYK colors blocks, and 30 meters the colors blocks. After this 130 meters finished the test, we can look at these pictures before the before printing test. When the brothel is more than 3 nozzles block, this ink will not pass. If not, the ink is less 3 nozzles blocks, the EcoSolvent ink will be passed. Now we will send over customers the passed EcoSolvent ink, and this bench ink will be kept for the sample room for 1 year to achieve the chest source. Now, thank you for your watching.